Today we are going to be installing a boost gauge. This one's from Harbor Freight. I got it for Christmas from Allie. Thank you, Allie. It's going to go into the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is completely stock right now, but it will be turbo soon. Not soon, I don't know. It's going to be a sleeper build, so that should be fun. Alright, so inside the package we got the boost gauge, we have the orange and white wire, the black wire for ground. Orange I believe goes to battery, white goes to your dash lights. You can put them together just if you want, but we'll see what happens. I'm not going to wire it today because I don't want to see, I don't even have boost, so but yeah, today is just going to be about teeing off a line, shoving it through the firewall, and hooking up to the gauge. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Now the first point of attack is we need to figure out where we're gonna run it through. I'm looking at a couple of places. I see that right there, and also there. Alright, so I just pulled off that plug, kind of damaged it. Honestly, it just goes to nothing. I'm guessing that's the carpet behind the firewall or something, but I do not want to figure out that it's not, so I'm just going to run it along with the wiring harness, so I'm just going to put that back. Alright, so basically what I did was I used a little flathead, injured myself a little, but just shot it through right there, and then I inserted the little needle nose, and whenever I spread it, it opens up the hole so I can just feed it through. So yeah, I'm just gonna feed it through right now. Alright, I just got the line in, and I'm just gonna keep pushing. Okay. Yeah, you can see that wire coming through. Just yank on that, pull it across, and you have your little boost gauge area. Alright, so there's not a lot of vacuum lines on the Y7. This is the D16 Y7, and you need to find something connected to the manifold. So this line right here going to the fuel pressure regulator or whatever is connected to the manifold. Trace it back, it goes on the back side right there. Alright, you can see it right there, it goes straight to the manifold, so we're just gonna tee off of that. Alright, I'm just gonna pull off the intake tube so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Alright, so I got some big old scissors. There we go. And then I'm just gonna fit in the T in between. Alright, so I got the T on right there, boost gauge going through over there and into the thing. Everything looks good, so I'm about to put everything back, and then I'll be right back. Okay, with a little fishing, I was able to use this to kind of just reach through, pull the line, and it's just going to be here temporarily. Wanted to run it up there eventually, but for now this is gonna have to do. It's just gonna be chilling right here by the ashtray, and basically all you do is hook up this end to this end, and then wire in these lines, and that's it. Alright, let's test if it works. that. Now let's rev it up. It works so good. Awesome. Alright, so yeah, this is where it's gonna be sitting temporarily. I just wanted to install it just to have it. It'll be cool, but it's not gonna be fully installed until I start turboing my Civic. I fished it through with the little grabber thing for drop bolts. It's coming into the firewall right there. Trace the line, it goes to the back of the intake. Well, actually to this line right here. We trace it. It goes to that T right there, and that's it. I didn't bother putting in any like worm clamps or anything. It should hold just fine. But yeah, have a good one.